Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another unboxing time with the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail. Today I've got a box from Zenpop. This is a box full of different Japanese ramen to try. Yeah, let's crack it open and see what's inside. And here we are. So, starting things off as usual, we've got a thank you. Next up, we've got the sheet with all the useful information. Let's take a closer look at that. So this sheet gives you information on all the varieties that come in this box. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So first we have a Marushan Kitsune Udon. This is the Eastern Japan version. And usually in these I just read what they have to say about each one. But on this one, this is one of the first instant noodles I tried when I started reviewing. I was like, oh wow, look, it's all in Japanese and cool. And this is their 40th anniversary version. Marushan's Kitsune Udon marked the 40th anniversary in August 2018. For the celebration, they have recreated the label to the same as when it was first released. There are two versions for Kitsune Udon, Eastern Japan and Western Japan, which have a little difference in the taste of the soup. The Eastern Japan version mainly uses bonito broth and has a strong taste of soy. Enjoy the original taste of Kitsune Udon with Eastern Japan feelings. Next, we have a Kuta from Marushan. This one is, wait, what? Hamburger ramen. Alright, let's see. Hamburger Kuta has a savory, sour, and cheesy soup by adding the flavor of a fresh grilled patty and mayonnaise. No way! It also uses onions as ingredients to add the flavor and crisp texture of it to make the noodles more hamburgery. Hamburgery. Nissan Chicken Ramen Mini. And actually, review number 2000 was the larger version of this. Chicken ramen is the very first instant noodles in the world. It was invented by Momofuku Ando in 1958, and it is said that instant noodle is one of the greatest inventions in the 20th century. We definitely think so. This year is the 60th anniversary of chicken ramen, so enjoy the classic instant noodle to celebrate it. Next, we've got a new touch variety. This is their chashu ramen. Chashu, roast pork slices, make ramen special. And this bowl of ramen is super special because it contains 3 slices of it. Next, we've got a Myojo variety. This is their mellow miso ramen. Next one from Sapporo Ichiban. This is their Kyoto Shoyu ramen. Soy milk Tantan Wonton Man. Ooh. Sesame and soy milk make the soup a bit more mild than normal Tantan noodles. Moreover, a little bit of ginger gives a nice accent to the soup. Enjoy your probably first mild spicy wonton noodles. And finally, the strangest and probably most disturbing instant noodle variety I've seen in a long time. This is Ace Cook Pringles Sour Cream and Onion Yakisoba. To celebrate 50 years in business for the iconic chip brand, Yakisoba? To celebrate 50 years in business for the iconic chip brand and 30 years for Japan's instant noodle brand Super Cup, they collaborated sour cream and onion Pringles Yakisoba. A mouthful of soft noodles with the crunch of onion gives a fantastic textural sensation that works to enhance all the punchy flavors. I don't know though, it's like, I think they could have I mean, I see the Pringles, but what about, I guess I don't know what other flavor they would have gone with. That's definitely unique. But yakisoba, I guess it's better than soup, right? All right, so in this, the celebration pack from Zenpop, you get soy milk wonton men, sour cream and onion Pringles yakisoba, kitsune udon, hamburger ramen, a mellow miso, mini chicken ramen, Kyoto shoyu, chashu ramen, your fantastic instruction sheet, and a thank you note, which my child has made off with. Wow, so very cool. If you want to get one of these, check out zenpop.jp. That's www.zenpop.jp. I've got a coupon code for you. Well, cool. This has been Hans, and this has been
Mario.
Wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one.
Bye.
Bye. The simple and light shoyu soup has a mingled flavor of pork, chicken, and stir-fried vegetables. Add a boiled egg to make it beyond special. Mellow and rich miso ramen with noodles which are easy to eat. Great smell of roasted vegetables and special flavored oil will fill your mouth. Mild soy sauce and rich pork flavored soup is one of the features of Kyoto style noodles. Adding red chili as an accent is also common in Kyoto style. Thin noodles which match with the soup make the ramen more delicious. This may be the first soy milk noodles in a Zenpop ramen pack, plus this one's name is fun to say.